mobility or the best viewing experience. You shouldn't. This is Sweam. It's a smart projector, like if a projector and a tablet made a baby. A beautiful, beautiful baby. You can carry it around with you, connect to 4G or Wi-Fi, and download all your favorite apps. You don't need any other devices. Project in any direction, even toward the ceiling. It has keystone correction, which means the angle of the image automatically adjusts to any surface. So, you get a perfect picture every time.
Air pollution is a global epidemic. From the big headlines we hear about, to the personal stories we don't, millions of people feel its effects every day. We are Cool Mask, and we have a solution. This is Hexa, the best clean air supply mask ever created. With 2 customized fans and a control dial to adjust airflow, Hexa can power up to 150 liters of clean air per minute, 20 times the amount you consume while resting. This increased clean air supply alleviates pressure from your lungs and helps you breathe better. So whether you're walking, cycling, or on the road, Hexa keeps you safe and breathing easy. Hexa's replaceable, proprietary filter provides triple-layer protection against exhaust smoke, allergens, bacteria, and viruses. The filter is assembled using 3 key elements: a high-tech particle filter, military-grade active carbon fabric, and nano-silver. When combined, Hexa can block lethal particles smaller than 2.5 microns, commonly known as PM 2.5. When people wear Hexa, we want them to feel free. It's light and breathable thanks to its open honeycomb structure. Its triple-layer valves efficiently release heat, moisture, and CO2, keeping the mask cool and dry. The face seal and clean airflow combine to create positive pressure, preventing any leaks and blocking out bad air. All this is powered by a separate mobile power bank, keeping Hexa flexible and safe. Hexa is compliant to international standards, including RoHS, CE, UL, FCC, FDA, and NIOSH. Hexa's control unit also doubles as an air quality sensor that can be used on its own. It detects airborne particle densities around you and alerts you with LED lights or notifications to your phone. Pollution data can be mapped out on our app, so you know exactly where Hexa is needed. And once connected to a Wi-Fi network, your air quality data can be shared with your loved ones and the Hexa community. Engineered for superior airflow, unmatched protection, and total comfort, Hexa is your bridge to clean air.
Hi, I'm Edward, and this is my son Luke. When my family lived in Asia, Luke suffered from asthma caused by air pollution.
We looked for a face mask, but finding a good one was impossible.
So we built Hexa.
We have been developing Hexa for 2 years. We have assembled a phenomenal team of engineers and software developers helping us through a dozen designs and prototypes. For this final version, we're looking to Kickstarter to help us fund our tooling and our production.
With Hexa, I can travel anywhere without worrying about air pollution.
We want to give you and your loved ones the same peace of mind. We hope you can share and back our campaign. Thank you.
It's Thursday tradition here at HomeBiogas. That means banana pancakes.
In 2015, we launched our first Indiegogo campaign, showing the world how to turn this into this.
The idea of a backyard appliance that turns organic food scraps into cooking gas was first of its kind. We were so excited to see all these people from all over the world enjoying the system. The first campaign enabled us to get HomeBiogas to the heart of remote communities in need. People who have been cooking over firewood suddenly had clean, free energy. It was a huge step in fulfilling our vision. The amazing support inspired us to think forward. What if we could take the HomeBiogas appliance, make it even better, and reduce its overall cost? It took us over a year. HomeBiogas 2.0 is an advanced appliance that produces green, renewable energy. Installation is now simpler. Just fill the digester with water, mount the gas container using the supplied sandbags, and you're ready to go. The 2.0 version is 50% more productive, easier to maintain, and super durable. We've also added a HomeBiogas stove to give you the perfect solution. An average family produces about 2 liters of waste a day. Why should organic waste go into giant polluting landfills when it can go back into nature? HomeBiogas 2.0 can now produce up to 3 hours of cooking gas per day, more than enough for an average family. Plus, a top quality, completely organic fertilizer that goes back into the soil, your own backyard eco-cycle. Once food waste goes in, the bacteria digest the organic material and release biogas and fertilizer. No electricity is required, it is completely safe to use, odorless, and can digest anything, from fruits and veggies to meat and dairy. HomeBiogas 2.0 is now ready for mass production. We need your help to start the manufacturing process. If you believe in our cause, we invite you to back our campaign and share it with your friends and family. Thank you. More and more people are beginning to reduce, reuse, and recycle as a way of life. Nature has given us so much, and now it's time to give back.